guys, I'm going to give you a few revs of the M140i just to show you the difference in the exhaust note from Comfort, Sport and then Sport Plus. So I found a private bit of road, nice and quiet, and my mate Jamie on the camera made a few passes just so you can hear the exhaust note. Take a look at this. Just a quick walk round of my mate Jamie's Cupra. 1.4 petrol with the electric motor. Pretty rapid, to be fair. Other than there's loads of flies on it for some reason. Next to a farm, that'll be why. But yeah, looking good. There he is in the background. You don't want to be on camera, but and then there's this nice Audi TT. No idea whose it is, but quick look around that as well. Some massive wheels on it with some P0s, but they are expensive. But yeah. Quick look at the interior. 245 horsepower these are. It's very nice in there. Got the big infotainment and then the digital driver's display. And the seats. Decent.